Alright, here we are for the third and final step in reclaiming our screens to be able to coat it with emulsion to be able to create a design and use this for another project. Alright, so step number 3 is degreaser, which we use again. It's Franmar, which does make eco-friendly chemicals. But this is a degreaser, something similar to Simple Green, that removes all the oils from the mesh here. Remember, this is a screen, and the ink that we use is an oil-based ink, so that's kind of slippery. And if we coated it with emulsion, the emulsion would not adhere to it. It would kind of just fall off and wouldn't get a good grip to it. It wouldn't adhere very well. So we need to degrease to get rid of any oils left on the screen so we can coat it with emulsion and use the frame again. Alright, so let's put this off to the side. To start off with the degrease process, we're going to start off with a wet screen. Use our Degrease step number 3 bottle, 3 or 4 sprays. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to first start off with a fresh, clean step number 3 brush. We cannot contaminate this brush, and we do not want to set this brush down in the bottom of our wash bin, as it is contaminated with a bunch of inks and leftover emulsion. So we take good, excuse me, we take caution with this brush here. So I'm going to rinse it first. Start off with a rinsed brush and go ahead and just massage in the degreaser. Go around edge to edge across the middle 3 or 4 times. We're going to flip it around. Do the same thing again. Let's give it 3 sprays. Spread it around. Work our way up. 3 to 4 times around the frame, and each side twice. And just like step number 1 and number 2, you are not pushing hard, you are not trying to stretch out the mesh. Okay, so a couple important parts about this. Reminder, this brush does not get put down in the wash basin. At this point it's fairly dry and it's clean. Don't put it in there, but we're going to have a little cart right here with clean paper towels, and it only gets set over there on the side. Now, reminder, you also have oils on your skin, so this is the part where also you do not, after we're done with this, don't even touch the mesh. We've degreased it, we removed all the ink oils, and we don't want to touch it with our fingers and get any oils on the mesh also. So again, this one is also a very safe step where you do not want to splash any contaminants down here up into it, so kind of a soft spray down. Rinse each side twice. And one last final rinse around the frame. Make sure there's no bubbles. I'm going to give this one more little spray. Alright, there we go. We've got a clean frame. No more ink, no more emulsion, and it's been completely degreased. Do not touch this with your fingertips, and we're going to let this dry, and once it's dried, we'll be able to coat it with emulsion and be able to burn another screen once the emulsion is dry. Alright, have fun.